Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you wireless Android Auto setup step by step. If you've got old car with screen display but it doesn't support Android Auto, you should consider buying this device. Thanks to AutoPro X, you can add wireless Android Auto to your screen. In order to set up it, firstly connect this device to power supply USB port in your car. Next, on your smartphone, download and install AutoPro X app. It's available on Play Store. Now go to Bluetooth settings and connect to AutoPro X Bluetooth. After it's done, you should have this screen on the screen display. Simply connect Android Auto and it's done. Now you can enjoy wireless Android Auto on your old car. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.